Here's how to bring back the Facebook Marketplace tab if it's missing from your app. Open the Facebook app on your phone and tap the three lines. Depending on your version, they'll either be in the top left or the bottom right corner. Once you're there, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap it to reveal more options, then go into Settings. Next, scroll until you find a section called Preferences and tap on the tab bar. Then choose Customize the bar. You'll see a full list of tabs you can show or hide. Look under the Hidden section. If Marketplace is listed there, tap it and hit Pin. That will instantly move it back to your main navigation bar, making it easy to access whenever you need it. If Marketplace still doesn't appear, don't worry. There are a few extra steps to try. Open your browser and search Can't Access Facebook Marketplace to find Facebook's official help page, which walks you through troubleshooting options. Make sure you're logged into your main Facebook profile because secondary accounts, business profiles, or temporary modes can hide Marketplace by default. Also confirm that your region supports Marketplace and that your account isn't restricted or flagged for violating Marketplace rules. Sometimes even small issues, like a temporary suspension or age restrictions, can prevent Marketplace from showing. If none of these work, try logging out and back in, updating the app, or reinstalling it. These simple fixes often reset the interface and bring missing tabs back. Once Marketplace is restored, you'll have full access to browse, buy, and sell items quickly and without any extra hassle. Following these steps ensures you never miss out on local deals again.